Installing LG dishwasher.dishwasher has a black, white, green with yellow stripe, and a double green/yellow that is already attached to the ground screw. Power cord has yellow with green stripe, black, and white wires. I have wire nutted the blacks, and then the whites. What do I do with the power cord yellow with green stripe which has an end that is flat with a circle that looks like it should go to the ground screw? Then the washer green with yellow stripe wire is left without a partner to tie into a wire nut. Certainly it goes somewhere? If I put the yellow with green stripe to the ground screw, do I remove the green with yellow stripe from the washer that is already grounded, or screw them together?
Hello and thank you for your question. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. I'm here to help you. Let me make sure I understand correctly. In the dishwasher box you have two green/yellow wires. One coming from dishwasher and another screwed to the box. You also have green/yellow coming from cord with screw connector. Correct?
Yes, except the one from the power cord is yellow with a green stripe. It was attached to previous dishwasher. The green/yellow from the dishwasher looks to be two separate green/yellows that both terminate in the ground screw. There is a third green/yellow from the dishwasher that is independent of the other two and looks like it is ready to marry with some other wire in a wire nut. The wire is exposed, but I don't have another wire from power cord to marry it with. Here is a picture.
Thank you for picture. You can cut off the screw connector off of the cord. Strip the wire and splice it with single green/yellow coming from dishwasher. That should do it. If you have multimeter we can double check if you want. Let me know.
Thanks. That makes sense. Was just worried I would ground this correctly. I appreciate it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.